What's up, Guerreros? How you guys doing? You know, there's a lot of fucking negativity going out there running rampant right now. And the thing about it is that you got to understand that a negative mindset will never give you a positive outcome. You always have to remain grateful. You know, everybody's contribution, you know, in life is going to be towards, you know, bettering yourself, towards, you know, elevating yourself in a manner that it's going to be towards your future that you want. You know, that's why you got to surround yourself with people that are going to help you succeed. There is no such thing as self-made. A lot of people think that they're going to do it on their own. They're going to pull it off on their own. That's why there's mentors. That's why there's coaches, because every person that achieved a goal or pursue a better lifestyle, he did it with the team, he did it with the mentor, he did it with the coach, somebody that is going to help him excel in life. There is no such thing as self-made. That's why I don't even fucking believe on that fucking word, because everybody looks up to something, to someone. Everybody looks up to what that person is doing, his accomplishments. So that motivation comes from somebody else. So self-made, it's only a word that is used for people that are just thinking that they're better than somebody else, you know, and they're not. Because the thing about it is that everybody needs a team and everybody needs that support from people to, you know, help you better yourself in life, you know. And the thing about it is that without a doubt, you know, our greatest wealth that we possess is going to be keeping your family, you know, treasuring every moment, you know, ensure that the story that you're creating is you're going to be proud of. That's what I'm trying to do. You know, I'm trying to create the best life that for my family, for my people, for you guys, to know that, hey, you know what, we could better ourselves, that we could achieve what we want, that we're going to be able to go after our goals. You know, that your self-doubt that you have, you got to just fucking kick that shit out of that fucking mindset that we have. You know, the most important thing that stops you is the negative self-talk. Just before it even developed, you know, you start talking to yourself in a manner which is like you're defeating yourself before you even pursue that goal, or before you even go after what you want in life. You're already doubting yourself. And that's what we gotta fucking understand, that we gotta fucking kick that shit out of our head. Don't be afraid to reach out, seek for help, or ask that person how he got there. There's a lot of people that are willing to share their success, willing to share what they went through, because they'll make it easier for you to not go through that trial and error that they did already. That's why it's always needed to have that person that's going to help you in those areas. Always consider the source before you approach someone as well. You know, don't listen to people that you don't want to be like, because those are the people that are going to try to fucking talk you out of the shit that, you know, you see yourself on becoming, you know. So always look at that, you know. Don't always listen to everybody, because their intentions might not be towards helping you, you know. So always check that. Make sure that the people that are that you're around with pushing you forward, and they want you to succeed, you know, just like they're doing. And you're going to be able to see, you're going to be able to read them by the way they conduct themselves, by the way that they treat you, by the way that they're going to just pretty much help you with what they struggle with, you know. So other than that, let's fucking get it.